Hi, it's my video about Shin Conditioning for Thai boxing MMA. First thing I'd recommend getting one of these sticks, massage stick, which are good for self-massage, as you guessed by the name.
What's Daddy doing?
Also for conditioning your shins, just roll it on your shins, on your ankle and your foot. Give it a whack too. And it uses a principle called Wolf's Law, which I'll put a link in the description about. And so there's using a stick, and there's using a heavy bag and some plyometrics as well, which will put impact on the joint and the bone. And you also want calcium and vitamin D so it can reform stronger. Leave at least a day or two between each conditioning session. Just quickly demonstrate that. Kicking a heavy bag for a clothesline and your plyometrics. For the impact on the bone. And make sure you get at least 15 minutes of sunlight, or supplement with about 2000 IU vitamin D. If you supplement it, you want to take vitamin K2 with it as well.